it's not necessarily about the business. It's about, you know, it's about community and also all sort of being together. You get to meet Andrew and Nick and other restaurant establishments, Chili Pickle, Alan, and you know, you're all sort of together in it, you know.
It's been fantastic, it's been so busy. We've had far more activities than we've had before, so every year it just grows and more families with young children come down, and they just can't believe that it's all free as well, and they've all had such a fantastic time.
This weekend's been brilliant for us. Yeah, I mean, we're only halfway through second day, but yesterday we sold out of everything. And today's been really, really busy this morning. It's beginning to cloud over a little bit, but, you know, let's hope that people kind of keep on with it and, yeah, you know, keep busy.
Because it gets out there to the crowd, there's an awful lot of people coming through. We're primarily here for the marshmallows that we do, which is a new venture for us, so people are trying a lot of them and we're getting a good feedback on what they think of them. But we're also here for the wedding and celebration cakes that we do. So people are taking our cards and hopefully they will be in touch down the line when they need wedding and celebration cakes.
I think it's in a fantastic way. The food festival is great to promote our business because this is our shop front and we've got nowhere else to. We didn't really want to take our regular spot somewhere and not be sure whether it would work or not and commit to something. So it's been fantastic. We've been able to sort of play shopkeepers for the day and see if it works for us, and it has. It's been incredible.
Very good weekend, yeah, very good. It's been very nice, very busy. The kids love popcorn, they love it, it's fantastic. We thoroughly enjoyed it here today. It's been a lovely festival. Everyone's so nice and friendly. I like Brighton and the people, it's really nice, yeah, it's good.